Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another weekend vlog. I'm a little bit confused because it was supposed to be 28 degrees right now and it's 62. So Jeff and I, there's Jeff, we are headed to the Hilton Grand Vacations Tournament of Champions, which is basically, it's a golf tournament. We're going to a golf tournament. So it's gonna be over in Lake Nona, and let's get our day started. No elevator music here. Say hi to the vlog.
Who?
The vlog. YouTube. Guys, this is Ivor.
Hello. Need a realtor? Get with him. Drop mortgage officer. Drop that social media. Absolutely.
Oh yeah, guys. This was our realtor for the Blue Door Bungalow. It's cold, guys. Like, it's genuinely cold. Thanks, babe. Everybody here looks like such a serious golfer. I have on jeans, gazelles, my scarf. I do not look like a golf pro, and I do not care. Hey guys, we are leaving the tournament now. It's cold, so we're in the car now.
All right.
Okay guys, we decided to come to the guest house for a drink. I was sweating on my top lip and my makeup, a mess, but okay guys, it's 5:13 and I've somehow convinced my darling husband to go to, why would they stop right here?
That ain't where the fuck you parking.
to go to Shokai downtown, which is like one of my favorite. These hand warmers are so incredibly warm, it's insane. Which is like one of my favorite sushi restaurants. So all I want is like 2 rock and roll rolls, and I'm so excited. And I'm gonna get that coconut shrimp roll too. Oh, delicious, I can't wait. Oh my goodness, it's so windy out here, guys. So windy. We're going to Shokai, but it's so windy. Good morning, guys. Well, not morning, it's like 12:30. And I want to go to Marshall's, so I've convinced Jeff to come to Marshall's with me, and that is what we're about to go do. It's like so cold outside. The feel like was 9, so maybe I'll put my little scarf on. But yeah, so we're going to Marshall's because I want to peruse, spend some money. Okay, guys, Jeff and I just left the Fresh Market. We got a lot of stuff. I'll show you all the other stuff when we get home. But they have a lunch special where you can get a soda, a bag of chips, and a panini for $9. So we got the beef eater, which was roast beef, caramelized onions, a roasted red pepper, a horseradish mustard sauce, and I feel like there was one more thing on it.
Gouda cheese.
And Gouda cheese.
And I got this
tangerine. That stuff is so good, guys. Okay, so here's the sandwich. And then barbecue chips. And for our drink, I got a Poppy since Jeff got that juice.
This is fried onions? Fried onions?
I guess. Okay, cheers. That's good.
I should get some napkin.
Alright guys, we're gonna finish eating this. Head home. I'll show you guys everything I got from Marshall's. And everything we got. And we'll do a little taste test for the Fresh Market. Okay guys, we just got home. Oh, I thought you were standing behind me. There's Chef. So, Fresh Market sweets. We got a strawberry Rice Krispie treat. We got a lemons and cream Napoleon cake. We got a strawberry shortcake parfait. Then I got sweetened plantains and chocolate covered raisins. And then we got a fruit tart and this ricotta cheesecake slice.
This thing smells like a strawberry sundae.
Okay, so we're gonna start, I guess, with this. We're gonna start with the strawberry Rice Krispie treat. Oh, it smells like straw. Like, smell it real quick.
It smells like strawberry sundae. Oh. I like this type of stuff. You don't.
I like it though.
That's real strawberry.
I don't like. It's definitely real strawberry. I don't like it. Should we like move so I can see your face more?
I'm smacking. All they need to see is my lips.
I don't like it more than a regular Rice Krispie treat, but I do like it though. I would eat it.
Okay. Blue under the table, he already had his treat.
I don't want to go strawberry. So let's go strawberry and then lemon.
I need water.
You need water?
It cleans the palate.
You got a treat already, Snuggums.
I would smack that strawberry Rice Krispie treat.
Okay.
Is the green cutting board messing with the aesthetic?
I mean, it's definitely microplastics. We can just like, okay, so this is the lemon and cream Napoleon.
Take it easy. Ooh, how soft, how moist.
Okay. Camera eats first. That is so good. That is so good.
Woohoo!
I love
That
lemon
cream.
stuff, guys.
That cream.
And then like the lemon curd, like. Hold on, I just need one more bite.
That's gonna be hard to top.
Wow.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm so happy that I got that instead of that raspberry
That's good.
other
So,
thing.
You don't eat cheesecake.
We're trying that cheesecake.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
That cake good. Watch that cake.
It'll take me like 2 weeks to eat it.
Well, you need to get some mold on it. No. Not with that fork. You just lick.
I literally was thinking about that when we get to here. We're gonna have to watch. We're gonna have to get spoons.
Yeah, I'm gonna feed you.
No.
Ah!
I took a little piece, guys. After that lemon cake, that was so underwhelming.
It's gonna be hard to eat anything after eating that damn lemon cake. Let me see that lemon cake again real quick.
No, but that's
good.
That's a really good slice of cheesecake. But like, to have it right after having that lemon cake is so underwhelming.
Bring the lemon cake back.
No. Now we got this fruit tart. Guys, I love a fruit tart.
The lemon cake wins. Okay. It's over. The lemon cake wins.
And remember, she said that the lemon cake was seasonal.
Yep. And if that's the moist, I ain't gonna bash it. Okay,
Wait, I feel like we maybe should use the knife and cut, like.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
Give me that cutting board.
Dun dun dun. I only need a corner, like this, right?
No, I don't want you to mess it up. Okay, maybe I messed it up.
You good. Just take that.
What?
Just cut that block out. It's got chocolate in it.
Yes.
Do they ever have chocolate in them?
Sometimes they do. I should have thought about that. I'm not a big chocolate person.
These are candy.
They usually have some sort of like a glaze on them, yeah.
Which one of these is strawberry?
Okay.
Let me feed you a strawberry on camera.
Get out of here. Are we just, okay, strawberry. This is a really big strawberry.
Strawberry good.
Oops. How did I literally drop that?
I ain't mad at the chocolate. Kind of get like a chocolate strawberry, chocolate strawberry vibe.
That's better than cheesecake.
You better start bashing my cheesecake. Nobody tell you eat cheesecake in the first place.
It is better than cheesecake though. I did this because I wanted to save the best for last, but this might not be better than that. Go rinse that off. Go rinse that off. I'm the weirdest. I'm so weird about like forks and things. And the way he does. Stop.
I just need to make sure I get some of the cake. That cake that's like wedding. Like if you had that as your wedding cake, that lemon cake, people would be talking about it. Like that's what we're gonna do on our 10-year anniversary. We're gonna go back and get that cake. I'm trying to shortchange me, Jack.
I'm not. I was trying to turn it so you could see where the cake was. Make sure you got like custard and stuff.
I need one.
Okay, guys. So it's a strawberry shortcake parfait. So it's got the custard and then the strawberry and then the cake and then Jeffrey, and then the custard and then the cream. Baby.
Damn. Damn. I said, it's better than cheesecake.
Yeah, the cheesecake is definitely the cheesecake is good, guys. But it's definitely the worst thing of all four.
This was extra?
About 5.
This was extra. You got this
Yeah, this
outside
wasn't.
of...
So they were doing 3 for $12, guys. So the cheesecake, the fruit tart, and the lemon cake were $12 for the 3 of them. And then this was an additional $6. But I love strawberry shortcake, so I was like, I'm gonna spend the $6. And then the Rice Krispie was $4.
I got cheated. I'm taking that cheesecake back. I'm gonna be like, I need one of these lemon cakes. This cheesecake was old. It's not kosher.
Oh my, okay. Wow.
We can eat this right now. Let's do it.
Wait, hold on, because I want to know where everything ranks for you.
It's kind of difficult now, but I would say lemon cake, parfait, this, cheesecake.
Okay.
This stands alone because it's a Rice Krispie treat. It's not in the same category.
Yeah. I would say, as somebody who doesn't really eat sweets a lot, if I'm talking like on an everyday basis or like a normal thing, I would say this first.
I would say this.
And then the lemon cake, and then the fruit tart, and then that. If I was hosting a party, baby shower, bridal shower, wedding, like I would get that lemon cake in full cake form.
Yeah.
And like that would be like the dessert that I would serve to guests at an event.
I agree. The cake.
Yeah.
Oh, you just going full send on this, huh?
I mean, what do you mean? You just said we might as well eat it.
Do it. Why you took my custard?
Wow. Should have took a picture of that and sent it to Dad.
Still there.
Okay.
And it's light.
Yeah, that's the thing, is it's light. It's very light.
Why you had to lick your fork like that? Stay on that side. No, come on
This
here.
is my cake. This is my shortcake anyway.
Come on here, my neighbor. I'm gonna let you live after this.
I'm gonna put it in the fridge after this part. Wow.
That was fire.
You didn't even want to go on Fresh Market.
I almost stayed in the house.
Yeah, you didn't even want to come out with me at all.
If your wife suggests that you go out with her on a Sunday and you want to stay in, don't do it.
All right, so strawberry shortcake parfait, fruit tart, lemon and cream Napoleon, Jeff's sad little cheesecake, and I mean, I guess since we're here.
No, you don't gotta eat those. That's snacks.
Okay, I really just want to try one though.
I was supposed to try one if you try one. Don't break the tradition.
I love a sweet and dried banana chip. Okay, guys. What I got from Marshall's. Jeff and I got this table setter set of 4 wine glasses. They're 20 ounces each. They were only, hello Bubba. Hello Bubba. Okay. They were only $10 for the 4 of them. A really nice wine glass. So we got those. Babaloosh kaboosh. Then I happened to see these and wanted them as well. So these are Tazas de Vidrio 15-ounce glass mugs. Just really cute and aesthetic. And these were $7.99. Then I got this snail cleansing foam Korean skincare. we got these ashwagandha gummies. I needed some studs, so some studs. I got this lip butter balm. And then I got these pants that I felt like would be really cute in spring, summer with just like a cute little top.
Who likes them?
He just keeps smelling all my stuff. And then these pants, guys, were, how much were these? 20 bucks. These are gonna really hit in the summertime. Exactly, white tank top, black tank top. And then I got these Nike pants, guys. They were $25. And like, I don't know. I just am kind of obsessed with them. And they like zip. They have a zipper, but like how far does that zipper go? I didn't even, oh, it just zips up like the ankle. Get away from my pants. But it is an oversized fit, mid-rise, full length. It's mid-rise, but I'm tall, so I'll probably have to wear them low-rise. But these with these and one of my like black like cropped Fabletics like fitted tops. Very cute. Then I got this honey vanilla body butter. Very pretty. And this just the Dr. Teal's foaming bath. What is it called? Bubble bath. Bubble barrel. And then we got TREATS's for blue. If I say the word, I'll get all hyper. So, and that is my Marshall's haul, guys. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here, my shuggy boogie. Come say hi to the people on the camera. Oh, the people on the camera want to say hello. Okay, shuggy boogie, you're so cute. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Jeff is gonna cook dinner tonight. He's making curry chicken. Curry chicken. I'm so excited. We're so excited. Okay, guys. See ya.